Now let's take a quick look at some of the functionality available in the Advanced Profiles module. I'm back on the home page of InstantAtlas server, and to access Advanced Profiles I can again click the button in the middle of the screen or the link in the left hand side menu. The wizard for this module isn't quite as long as the Advanced Data Views module. We begin by choosing our starting point in the wizard. The options presented are the same for each, but it decides whether you begin by choosing your areas or by choosing your data first. I'll start by choosing the areas I'm interested in first. Again, this screen will look quite familiar as it's very similar to the screen used in Advanced Data Views. I have to choose a geography of my choice or select the features. I choose a geography of my choice. I will start by choosing areas. This screen works in much the same way as it does for Advanced Data Views. Again, I have the choice of my geography and then the features within that geography. In this case, I will choose 4 different lower super output areas from the map for which to run my profile. I then click Next to continue. On this screen, I choose the profile that I wish to run. I'm going to look at the deprivation profile, so I expand the deprivation theme and choose the overview deprivation profile that is available. In this case, it happens that this profile is also available in the standard profiles module, in case you viewed the profiles module video. However, it is possible to custom create profiles that are available for profiles or advanced profiles only. I click Next to continue, and this takes me to the screen where I choose my comparison areas. Again, I can pick and choose comparison areas by selecting them in the table, and there's a further option to also show value difference areas. Value difference areas, where possible, includes an additional column in your table or charts that shows the differences between your comparator and the features that you've selected. This column will only be available where both the data allows and where the widget has been set up to allow this. I click Profile to run the profile. You will notice that this profile looks very much like a standard profile. But if you look in more detail at some of the components of the profile, for example the table, you will see that there are individual columns for each of the lower super output areas that I selected. This is unique to the Advanced Profiles module, as in regular profiles you can only run the profile for one feature at a time. Notice also that the first column in some of the tables contain a selected areas column. Now, where it's been possible, this column will display the aggregated data for the chosen LSOAs for that particular indicator. For example, index of multiple deprivation scores cannot really be aggregated, and therefore this indicator will display NA in this column. However, if you scroll down and look at the benefits claimants table, here you can see that the rate has automatically been calculated from the figures presented for the individual lower super output areas. Bar charts and line charts have also been generated to include the features that we've chosen, and in this case can also include comparison areas. Tables also include comparison areas. The standard functionality of allowing this profile to be exported to PDF is also available. And we also now support export to Microsoft Word. I hope this video has given you a helpful overview of the Advanced Data Views and Advanced Profiles modules. If you haven't watched the videos for the regular data views and regular profiles modules, I would recommend you look at those for further insight into how InstantAtlas Server works. Thank you for watching.